In this video, I'll show you how to create tasks from Teams posts in Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful feature when someone sends an important message in a channel or chat and you want to turn that message into a task instead of copying everything manually. Microsoft's support page says you can create a task directly from a Teams message by opening the Message Actions menu and choosing Create Planner Task. Microsoft also notes that Planner in Teams brings together personal and team tasks in one place. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel post you want to use. Hover over the message so the message actions appear, then click the three dots, which is the More Actions menu. From there, choose More Actions again if needed, and then select Create Planner Task. That opens a task form based on the message you selected. Now fill in the task details. You can edit the task title, add notes, set a due date, choose a priority, and make any other changes you need. One important field here is Create In, because that decides where the task will be saved. According to Microsoft, you can choose the destination list or plan before saving, which helps keep your tasks organized in the right place. After that, click Add Task, or the Save button, shown in your version of Teams. Once the task is created, it becomes part of Planner, where you can track it, update progress, assign it, and manage it with the rest of your work. Microsoft says Planner in Teams is designed to bring together tasks from across Microsoft 365. So this is a quick way to turn a conversation into something actionable. If you do not see the Create Planner task option, there are two common reasons. First, your organization may not have the Planner or Tasks experience enabled for your account. Second, the option can vary depending on the kind of message or your team's setup. In that case, check whether the Planner app is available in Teams by going to Apps and searching for Planner. So, the steps are simple. Open the message, click the three dots, choose Create Planner Task, edit the details, choose where to save it, and create the task. That's how to create tasks from Teams posts in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.